popping, y'all? It's your girl Deja, and I don't like when you watching while I'm doing this. Oh, it's popping, y'all? It's your girl Deja, and today we're going to be doing my little sister's hair because she got school tomorrow. So it's her freshman year. She want to go to school like a hobbit or whatever. So I'm gonna get her right, and I'm gonna do her hair. So as y'all seen, I look a hot mess, and excuse this, I got bit by a mosquito. So basically the hairstyle that I did on myself with the deep part, that's what I'm gonna do to her, but on the side it's gonna have rubber bands crisscrossing and whatnot. And then yeah, so let's just get into this video. I don't know how this is gonna work because I haven't made a video doing somebody else's hair, and I don't know how to like set all this up, but we gonna figure it out. So let's get into it. This is my sister, guys. Her name is Layla, and she's looking very busted. So yeah, we're gonna get this light right. Hold on.
Funny when he said that hurt my shoulder.
Okay, so basically I braided her hair and I folded it over, and then I'm tying it with a hair tie. And then with folding it over, it's going to make a loop. And with that loop, you're going to want to put the end of the track right through that loop and wrap the excess end of the track around the hair. I do this because I don't want to glue the hair, and I like to reuse this hair for other things. So the easy way for me to do that is just to do this method. After I wrap the excess hair over her hair, I get the track and I wrap it very, very tightly around her hair up to the top as much as I can. And when I run out of this hair, I just get some more excess hair that I have and wrap it around.
Follow me on Instagram, guys.
Don't follow her on Instagram.
You should follow me on Instagram.
Okay, guys, I don't even know how that video went. if it was good, if it was bad. It was my first time doing hair on somebody else and filming it, so I don't really know how it went. But I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you didn't, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm out, y'all. I'm gonna lay down because after doing that, I feel like I worked out or something. So I'm gonna lay down.